The collimator lens is ready. The outer diameter is 12 millimeters and about 40 millimeters long. And then behind it, this is the collimator body with a lens in front. It can be installed with a protective lens as a collimator. It can be used for laser welding and soldering function, or for remote heating. That's it. It's convenient to heat metals and so on. You can replace this protective mirror to a focusing lens. You can also not use the nozzle, and the gas nozzle directly outputs a light spot or a focused spot. You can also replace it with a nozzle. Add a focusing lens to this lens, and then achieve this focusing function. SMA905 connector. It's very flexible to use. Now let's install the protective lens and then test it. The design spot is 5.2 millimeters. Collimated about 20 centimeters away. Its diameter is about 5 millimeters. At a distance of about 50 centimeters, it is about 6 millimeters. That's it.